Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto Investment Splash. In today's video, I'm going to show you a website in which you can withdraw Nano Coin, Nano crypto currency directly into your Trust wallet without any trouble, without any delay, without any fee. It is zero fee. If you are not familiar with Nano, you know Nano does not charge on fee. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. It's zero fee, so that you can earn directly from that website and you can withdraw it directly to your Trust wallet. As you can see on my Trust wallet, I have 0.09 Nano, which is equivalent to 7 cents. And the reason why I love this crypto is that their price can skyrocket at any time. As you can see, the value of Nano at the moment is 75 cents, and it can go up in the nearest future. So I'm going to take you to the website in which I'll be earning this free Nano Coin, but I don't know why Trust Wallet is not showing me my history. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So I will take you to the website and I will make a live withdrawal. I've earned about 0.3 Nano Coin, so I'll make the withdrawal directly to this Trust Wallet. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. If this is your first time of trying to earn some free crypto and you have not been able to earn this free cryptocurrency, kindly subscribe to my channel and check out my content. So let me take you to the website and I'll first make the live withdrawal. I will confirm it and I'll show you how you too can earn it instantly. Hope you understand. If you are not familiar with that website, you will not be able to make the withdrawal. So this is the website. Sorry guys, it is loading up. Can you see I have a 0.3 Nano Coin? Hope you understand what I'm trying to say on this website. Hope you understand. So I'll make the live withdrawal directly to my Trust wallet. Hope you understand. And it is very easy to earn Nano Coin on this website. So I'll go and copy my address and I'll paste it here. Hope you understand. So let's go back to Trust wallet. So this is I'm on Trust wallet. I have to log in, guys. So I'm on Trust wallet. I'll click on receive, copy address. I'll go back to Nano. So address, make sure the address is correct. So this is my address. Hope you understand. My receiving address of the Nano, and you see that I don't have any history. The history is clear, and if I make the withdrawal now, it will show on the history. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. And after that, I will show you how you too can earn some free Nano Coin on this website. So I'll click on withdraw right now. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. And the most interesting thing about this website, that immediately you earn your Nano, you can withdraw it instantly to your Trust wallet, to your Binance account, to your whatever, Bybit, Coinbase. Hope you understand, as long as the platform supports Nano. So let me click on withdraw. Click on withdrawing. So withdraw. Sorry, what is wrong? Sorry about that. I think maximum withdrawing. Let me refresh the page. You need to sign in or sign up. Okay, let me sign in into the account. So my email address, I click on sign in. Sorry about that, I have to sign in first, so that okay, sign in successfully. So let me go and paste my address, pasted, and I'll click on maximum and I'll click on withdrawing. What? Okay, can you see you just sent 0.3 Nano from your account address? So can you see the withdrawal has been confirmed? So let me go and check my Trust wallet and see whether the and see whether the Nano has arrived. After that, I will show you how you too can earn Nano on this website, because if you are not being directed, you will not be able to earn anything. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Hope you understand. So I will click on Nano. Let me see the confirmation. Refresh. Okay, it has arrived, guys. Can you see that? I don't know why this Trust wallet is not showing my current. You know, before it was 7 cents that was there, now it's now 33. Hope you understand. but I don't know why Trust Wallet is not showing. Can you see? It's now 33. It was 0.09 before. Now it's 0.44. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So let us go and show you. Let me go and show you how you will get it. But before I show you how you will get your own Nano, hope you understand, let me show you my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming to my YouTube channel, please kindly help this channel grow. Just come to your YouTube, type crypto investment splash, and it's you show up here, and just subscribe. Simply subscribe. I have so many content here about any of free cryptocurrency, Nano Coin, Shiba Inu, Star, Cat, whatever kind of crypto you are looking for this earth, I have it on my channel. So just subscribe on the YouTube channel. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So let me now take you to the website and show you how you will be earning the free Nano. So when you come to this website, just click on this 3 buttons. You sign up with the link that I'll provide in the description below. After you sign up and you log in, just click on the end section. Sorry, you click on earn. Sorry, let me watch and learn. Just click on watch and learn, because they have different kind of method you can earn. Can you see? They have different kind. You can take survey, watch and learn, but this one is watch and learn, and the affiliate program also. But watch and learn, where you get, so after you click on the watch and learn, you'll be brought here to this watch and learn. You'll be brought here. Just click on watch and learn. Hope you understand. Then about favorite number 40 topic, payout is 0.0. So instantly, guys, you can withdraw your Nano. Hope you understand. Hope you understand. I'm showing you the proof that this website is paying. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So sorry. Sorry. Okay. Sorry about that. Check something here. Sorry. So let me go back to the, okay, click on watch and learn. So click on watch and learn, so after clicking on the watch and learn, you'll be brought to this page, listening to my instruction, guys. Listening to my instruction. So after you get to this page, you just scroll down. Can you see? You click on start learning, you scroll down, you click on start learning, and you know my account, but I don't have any Nano. Hope you understand. Let me show you. Know my balance, my Nano balance.
Today's growing digital world, cryptocurrencies are all the rage in the market. Whether it's a peer-to-peer currency or a DApp platform, cryptocurrencies are here to stay, as well as blockchain tech. But what about all the innovations that are necessary to continue the momentum for mass adoption? Well, today we're going to be discussing a project by the name of Nano that is working on just that.
All the way down. Click on it. After you click on it, the next one you load up. So can you see this line down here, this green line down here? Can you see how it is loading up? Can you see? So it will be full. After it is full, you now scroll down and then click on
my name is Andre.
Next. Hope you understand until you get to 5 of 5. So let us do it step by step.
Like,
don't rush, guys.
The white paper not being
this
updated
thing is paying, guys. This is 100% real. So you click on the next video. So after that, it will load up, guys. So if you're interested in this website, I'll leave the link in the description. But just listen to how I will get my Nano. You see, it is pathetic. So can you see that this video, next video, is not free? From next video, we come to keep going. So you click on next video. After that, you will scroll all the way down, guys. All the way down. Can you see? 4 or 5.
Today's growing digital world, cryptocurrencies are all the rave in the market. Whether it's a peer-to-peer currency or a DApp platform, cryptocurrencies are here to stay, as well as blockchain tech. But what about all the innovations that are necessary to continue the momentum for mass adoption? Well, today we're going
4 or 5. Sorry. So after that, you have to scroll all the way down again. What's this? So you have to scroll all the way down. Can you see? So
hey, what's up?
It's getting longer. So after that, it will now see 5 of 5. After the 5 of 5 turns to deep green, so it's loading up. Okay, so you click on the 5 of 5. So can you see? So this is the last part. Be careful here. After that, you now verify that you are human. Just click this button. You now drag this puzzle to match the shadow. So after that, you now click on. So there are two options. Yes, if you want to keep watching and keep earning unlimited nano, you just click on this green. But if you want to just earn nano and stop watching, click on the blue one. So I click on the green. Keep watching. So can you see what you will receive your nano soon? Can you see transaction receive? You just
hey, what's up, crypto fam? I'm Davey with Exodus.io, and this is Nano Coin in 2 minutes.
Again,
Nano Coin gained popularity for its feeless instant transactions. In fact, it rose to prominence toward the end of the 2017 crypto bull run, which saw Bitcoin not only reaching all-time highs, but struggling with network traffic. During that period, sending BTC was slow and transaction fees were insane.
So,
Enter Nano. In the span of about a month, the price of a single Nano Coin increased more than 10.
I'll leave the link in the description below. Just go and do it diligently the way I taught you. And if you have any question about this, don't forget to drop your question in the comment section below. I'm ready to answer. But I don't know why Trust Wallet is not showing the history. But you can see before it was on 0.07, now it's now on 0.33. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say, guys. So it is playing. I made the live withdrawal in your presence. So tomorrow I'll show you another way you can earn instantly on this website if you have never earned your cryptocurrency before. So let me go and show you step by step. So thank you guys for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, show me love and support me, encourage me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. This may encourage me to do more videos, guys, and you will also be happy. Share this video with your friends and family, and also like this video. So thank you guys. God bless you. I love you.